Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like cancel this 7 by 7 is equal to 56 divide 1. Now 56 divided by 1 is equal to 56. But this answer is not correct, this answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to, now 56. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 56 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 1 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 1 multiply 7. Okay. Now here 7 divided by 1 is equal to also 7, so we can remove this one. Okay. Now here is one multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So 56 multiply 7 is equal to 392 multiply 7. Now 392 multiply 7 is equal to 2744. Okay, so the correct answer is 2744. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.